Hi, everybody. Welcome to another series of KU Podcast. My name is Preeti Das. I'm the director of KCEIL. And thanks to KU Podcast and Team Univation and the Student Council, I'm getting to meet some very, very legendary and interesting people. और आज के podcast में filmmaker, writer, poet, and I think a fire brand called Barnali Resh Shukla, who is, I think, an inspiration for a lot of us who've watched her, who've known her work from the time she was an assistant director in the film Satya to making a movie called June, which has won around 17, 18 international awards, to also being a documentary filmmaker who, despite all this, has a little apprehensions about her own body and says, we women are always shy about, shit, हमारे breasts इतने uneasy क्यों हैं, हमारा bum इतना uneasy क्यों है. So here is a very, very freewheeling and candid and raw conversation with none other than Barnali Ray Shukla. So,
Yeah.
well, informally and formally, welcome. I really think our podcast started outside because
Yes.
I mean, I'm just so excited. And of all the things I've read, let me just start with one quick thing. Was a lovely post that you put up today on Instagram.
I did.
Yeah. And asking and talking about clean air, food, water, very many things, and something important. Why that post?
Typically, I think Instagram was one platform I really enjoyed till I see it becoming corrupt about just plugging in. तो ये खुली हवा और ये जो मंजर है यहाँ का, how would I package it? And that's why I did it, because after this, there will be have tos. I don't think anyone creative should be bound by have tos and catering to anything. That is my last creative post in a while, I think. Yeah.
My
So,
God.
yeah, it
But
matters to me.
And I love the fact that you said कि Instagram अब थोड़ा सा
थोड़ा स्क्यू हो रहा है. मुझे लग रहा है ट्विटर पे आपको ये बताना होता है कि मुझे ये सब पता है, मुझे ओपिनियन रखना है. Whereas Instagram, I think, was much more fun, much more optics. Of course, a lot of it outside what's happening, not in the optic range. But मुझे ऑर्गेनिक चीज़ें तो पसंद है ना. I mean, as an independent voice, whether it's an artist or a poet or a filmmaker, वो नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए हमें.
No, absolutely. And I'm going to come to that. But before that, I just wanted to ask you, क्योंकि हम already Instagram पे मोटा-मोटी बात कर रहे हैं.
ठीक है.
And you are an artist, from writing, films to poet. And I'm sure we will discover a few things. क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि Instagram में attention span से लेके content consumption से लेके इस Barnali, has there been a time when you're like कि क्या है? Because, and why am I asking that is 15 years, of performing, of doing shows. जब से Instagram आया है तब से सबसे पहले लोग ये कहते हैं कि अरे हम आपके फॉलोअर्स देखते हैं पहले. एज मुझे याद नहीं आता कि पहले मुझे शोज कैसे मिल जाते थे इतने आसानी से. So therefore, I just want to understand your take on content and the less attention span.
Very good question, because till about a year back, I didn't know that an audition usually was followed. Or sometimes before the audition, it was asked कि आपके followers कितने हैं. Or if it is an condition to be cast only if you have followers in millions, I think it's an utter shame on the whole system of casting. And it is happening. But yes, there must be other algorithms. So I think students and enthusiasts shouldn't get depressed, because, like, if we just see Mukesh has cast for, say, Black Warrant, which is an Applause production, and they produced it first and then went to Netflix. That's how Applause works. So there is light at the end of the tunnel, and it is not the train. But the fact is कि हम सबका इसमें तो हाथ है ना थोड़ा बहुत, कि क्या आप फॉलो बैक तभी करती हैं जिसका 32 से ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स है या 32,000 से ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स है. सो आई थिंक it's very easy to pass the buck on to someone, but I really don't think that there should be conditions as to number of followers. That's why I think I began this conversation by saying कि Instagram corrupt होता जा रहा है. और उससे भी ज़्यादा गंभीर प्रॉब्लम एज अ फिल्म मेकर व्हाट आई फील इज कि Come on, yaar, reel makers are influencers today, and filmmaker अभी श्याम बाबू चले गए तो जाके उनकी फोटोज निकाली गई, क्या उनके जीते जी हमने इतनी बात करी थी. So that's where I say that, you know, social media is, with respect to what is happening today, which is, I think, that is a sad loss. Let's talk about things we are excited by. No, nobody asked me to put that post.
Correct.
Nobody I had met till now. We
हाँ.
were only on WhatsApp.
हाँ.
And I was called in, and I'm always excited to be a resource person, because I have not even written on the post that what I am doing here.
Yeah, जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
I have just said that I look forward to meeting the students,
हाँ.
and I'm sure that there'll be students here by evening. And yeah, so social media is, I think you should use it before it uses you.
और आपने एक और पते की बात कही, और क्योंकि दिस इज काइंड ऑफ कनेक्टिंग, एंड कहा कि शाम में आई होप टू सी स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes.
This angst is also, as you said, the graph that you were talking about.
Yeah.
Yaar, where are we headed? Because these apprehensions, Barnali, I have seen with a lot of people who are storytellers. And by storytellers, I would even say you are a storyteller, you know, in various formats. Yaar, ये क्यों है? और इसमें आप थोड़ा सा, because many of our students are looking at making careers in filmmaking, in advertising, in performing arts, in visual arts.
I can imagine. So I think the favorite four-letter word for me is hope, but I think I wouldn't really bat for it right now. It is very difficult stage that we are going through. But I think as students, when you're young, your health and your years are by your side, and of course you're trained in a wonderful place like here. तो मुझे लगता है कि आप वही कहानियां कहें जो सिर्फ आप कह सकते हैं. Having said that, it should be not just be a story in a balloon, okay? It should be something which is relatable as well. So the interesting part is to strike that balance. Ki, you know, when E.T. was made, that was Mr. Spielberg. We all look up to him, and I'm sure students even now do follow what he's doing. But if there was a studio telling him ki kya hai, I mean, okay, like, you know, it's not landing. That's the word today I hear a lot. ये क्यों बना रहे हो, कौन देखेगा? So I think there will always be a segment which will be research and development. Like there's industrial design here. There's a lot of design aspects in the school that I see. So we have to keep punching that invisible wall which is being set up. So while I don't want to sound like this very romantically inclined pink chashma pehan ke rose colored glasses, but the fact is we have to, like, you know, आग के दरिया से होके चलना है, क्योंकि ये सारा इश्क है एक्चुअली. डॉक्टर ने बिल्कुल नहीं बोला था ये करने को, तो जो अगर आप आ गए हो तो आई थिंक इट रियली टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ नर्व. It takes a lot of, like you were saying, kids are damn rushed today. I think there's something we have to understand. You really need the energy of a VJ and the, you know, the patience of a monk.
To deal with.
Yes, this combination is something which is very important. I think working on yourself is very important. और ये आप ही को खुद बच्चों को बंद करना बोलना पड़ेगा कि अरे यार पिक्चर में कौन है. Yeah, then how? Because you are going to step out into the not yet Hall of Fame, right? You're going to be in corridors of not what is power. Because here I'm sure that these kids are privileged, and there are a lot of facilities which are being extended. But boss, when you meet the industry, it is like you will cave in कि अगर आपको caste dependent ही script करनी है. इसीलिए I mean, I urge you all to watch June this evening. There are 11 new careers, but I can do it because I totally believe in it. And I think that when Bobby was made or a Julie was made, of course, that was RK. And he launched his son, Rishi Kapoor. But Julie wasn't like that. Then there were... I'm not saying that let's compare this. I'm just saying that if we don't make a model which will work and bring in the revenue for the investors, कब तक complain करते रहोगे? I rest my case.
No, and I think Barnali, hats off to you for this because यार एक तो आप पिक्चर ऐसे कोट कर रहे हो जो मुझे पता है इस पीढ़ी ने नहीं देखा, and you've struck an emotional chord because Julie was Julie was one of the movies which was a part of my master's thesis.
Oh.
So I did representation of Christians in mainstream Hindi cinema मेरे masters के degree में, and of course I had to use the stereotype wala lens, but the way the characters were developed, I thought it was
Look at that.
It was
Look at now.
brilliant,
Yeah,
right?
it was, right?
Right.
So last two, closer to now, I think Kabir Singh is the last romantic film which worked with a very alpha toxic protagonist, which is 2020, I think. No, or before COVID, 2019. Yeah, 1918. Yeah, uske pehle, I think Ashiki 2. Yeah, which kind of breathed in so much for Aditya and Shraddha. You know what I mean? So they'll tell you that love stories don't work till you'll have a love story working. So don't listen, do your thing. And you must be so sure of what you're doing. Like now I say I go about with scripts where I know I can put my last shirt in it. Only then I can pitch it like that.
Oh.
कि एक मेरी 40 करोड़ की फिल्म है बोल के pitch नहीं करो. Then you have to work on a cast because these people are not jokers who are asking you to get a certain level of cast, which means everybody wants it to be a foolproof system. Having said that, we are in January 2025. You all can Google up what has been the very intensely and beautifully cast films, which have probably not gone up to where they expected to. And some of the offbeat cast films which have done brilliantly in 2024.
Absolutely. Sorry, I will take names. You need not. Singham 3 got everyone who is anyone and all the 3 Kesar ad boys to everybody. And then a Lapata lady comes. Ladies. Or even beautiful films around women. Mother and daughter friendship. To what not, you know. And I know you're not supposed to say that, but I can say that as a consumer, as you know. And I think it was so nice to see that shift, at least across quote unquote mainstream. Because in South, especially the Malayalam film industry, I think they've been game changers. Barnali, आप फिल्म देखते हो, आपको समय मिलता है क्या?
हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल देखती हूँ. जब मैं लिख रही होती हूँ तब मैं उस जॉनर की फिल्म नहीं देखती हूँ strictly. When people tell you know, this is the kind of film that you need to watch right now and these are the books that you need to read. No, I don't do that because I think थोड़ा बहुत वो एक मेरी वाली कहानी अपने तरीके से. There'll be a lot of quotes which will tell you there's nothing new about a story. It's only how you tell it, which is so true. But like coming to it, see, it's not like Preeti that we are not supposed to say things like this. I mean, this is a time when Payal Kapadia's film and Pushpa 2 are equally being touted as successful in their own spaces. And to answer your question, I have been in a major flux of writing and I have not been able to see these two and I will watch both of them. So it's like India is a very, is almost like a creative continent. कि किस तरीके का बनाओगे because the major challenge is what am I making next. So to answer that, it's like there will be viewers for all kind of work. It's just that they say, you know, a script does not fail, only the budget fails, which is very true. Yeah. So I think इस पे भी गौर करना चाहिए because I think this new kids on the block, they are very aware of the economics of things. Sometimes probably too aware. तो मुझे लगता है वो थोड़ा सा कम करके और क्रिएटिव फ्लाइट्स थोड़ा ज़्यादा किया जाए तो बेटर है. मुझे लग रहा है कि अभी बहुत ही फिटिंग इन और हम क्या करें और फुल प्रूफ आइडियाज बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं यार. 20s में झक नहीं मारोगे तो कब मारोगे?
When will you take the risk, ना? Also,
that's my point.
यार Barnali, also क्या हो रहा है कि आजकल ये फुल प्रूफिंग की लॉजिक में एक और एंटिटी जो था लेकिन अब और तेज हो गया है, वो है AI. आधे से ज्यादा स्क्रिप्ट्स. और क्योंकि आप इमेजिन आपकी कोई कविता आप अगर AI में फीड करो और वो अपने हिसाब से बता दे. So I'm not saying AI is bad. I think maybe a collaborative approach, because you can't, matlab, when the camera was shifting to digital, from the old one to the new one, there was apprehensions.
Yeah.
But यार, where do you see this? Because ये फूल प्रूफिंग में क्या होता है, आप AI को ये भी पूछ सकते हो कि ये स्क्रिप्ट को और हिट कैसे बनाए. So where again, I'm saying this because now I'm seeing assignments being submitted in AI. I'm seeing short films, I'm seeing portfolios जो पूरा AI induced है. So what would be your suggestions for these 18, 19, 20-year-olds who are also, and I'll be very honest with you, grappling with this? Because they are like कि AI में डाला तो फिर बरनाली की कहानी कितनी है ये तो पूरा मुझे AI ने दे दिया, हालांकि आइडिया मेरा था. How ये एक होता है ना, जब आप कहानी लिखते हैं, it's you, it's something.
I get it. So if we are talking of really young people, I think they are staring at AI all along. We still have had time to have human seeded stories and otherwise. अभी आप किसी एक्टर से बात करिए, वो बोलेंगे कि हम ग्रीन स्क्रीन से ज़्यादा इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, तो I think it's another faculty that I believe you have been an actor as well. So it's like getting a feedback from a co-actor or a green screen, जो वहाँ को कल को एक डायनासोर या एक कुछ मार्शियन बिठाया जाएगा. So it will constantly challenge. I think let's not fight AI. Let us befriend AI without losing your own self-esteem and your individual voice. Because see, like when you're ideating, what has happened is, at least if we are just talking of writing, I don't know other spaces, it has been eating up jobs, which is really sad. But this sea change is coming. And a lot of junior writers have lost work assignments who we used to have in a writer's room. So a writer's room today is shrinking because there's Chat GPT. And so you have to work that much more individualistically to be in that writer's room. इसीलिए तो जो मैंने अभी 10 मिनट पहले कहा, ये उतनी ही ज्यादा आपकी स्टोरी तब होनी चाहिए जब आप चैट जीपीटी से आपका पंगा हो.
क्या बात है. right.
Yeah, so I think there will be a time we can't AI proof our lives now. Whichever department, whichever industry. So like I said, that the more you are yourself, the less you will be replaceable. The less you'll be replaceable.
Yeah. No, because the struggle is constant.
It's absolutely constant.
क्योंकि आपने एक prompt दी थी, आपने सिर्फ लिखा boy meet girl, love story, script, cast, poor. पूरा formula आ गया, पूरी कहानी आ गई. And a lot of people that I interact with, बरनाली से, कि कभी-कभी writer लोग तो बहुत time लगाते हैं. मैंने AI में दे दिया, सट्ट करके कहानी आ गई.
बिल्कुल.
So they say कि भैया it is also going to make it faster, which is a great thing. और ये producer का point of view है.
जो मेरी अगली script में मैंने डाला भी है.
अच्छा, which can you discuss a little about it, because it sounds very intriguing.
Not this one, yeah, but yeah, later I can tell you about the one which I'm probably closer to making right now. But what I'm saying is, we all are actually having to include this. It's not like a gun is on our head, but if you are not in today's times, then what are you doing?
Right. Okay, I just want to do a rewind with you. Satya. A lot of the young generation would not know Satya, and it hurts my heart because Satya, I think for our generation, was not just Bhikhu Matre.
No.
It was much more. Here was this protagonist who's grey, jiska na ata na pata na ma na baap. And then the gorgeous Urmila to a Kallu Mama to, I mean, what you gave us in Satya was not a movie, but I think some characters also. Jo reh gaye, and I think the movie did well, of course, for various reasons, but the storytelling, the idea, how was it like working with the team there, and कुछ सत्या के ऐसी किस्से जो आपके साथ हुए हो?
Okay. So the good thing is, see, Satya is back in the theaters. So
Please go watch.
which means that it has outlived its time, and probably these kids here are going to watch it because they were either not born or too young when it happened. I was, it's very kind of you, Preeti. I was a very tiny part of Satya, but yes,
You are any
not
part of
all
Satya
assistant
still.
directors land up making films, and it was very nice when Ramuji said, Barnali, I mean, tum shadi kya kar rahi ho? You are a bull, you will go make films.
He said
So
that.
go make films. Yeah. And he counseled me, which I would love to tell the children here, the students here, that it's a very important route to be a writer, filmmaker, rather than assistant director to director. Because assistant directors can continue being assistant directors, can get into a comfort zone, get out of that comfort zone, get ready for, the extreme number of doors which are going to close, the extreme humiliation and shocks that y'all are going to be able to not tell your parents even. तो उसके लिए तैयार हो जाइए, लिखिए ज़रूर. और हाँ, सत्या में आई थिंक रामू जी लेटली हैज बीन ट्वीटिंग अ लॉट अबाउट व्हाट ही हैज लर्न फ्रॉम सत्या टुडे.
Suddenly ना कुछ ज्यादा ही
सो
इस
ही
पे, हाँ.
उनका बहुत तभी सेल्फ सर्चिंग हो गया है सत्या से. बट सत्या द अदर साइड ऑफ ट्रूथ which is important, I guess. I can I like tell you the behind the scene thing that Pradnya Lokhande used to work in the costume department. She would not be on the set, and except for Urmila ji, her hair person, and me, the ratio of women is to men, guys, just imagine, would be like what, 3:80.
बिल्कुल, मतलब आप तीनों ही थे
तीन
मोटा
ही थे.
मोटी.
हाँ, तो और
Throughout.
मैम तो कहाँ ही मिलती थी, मैं ही और ये गैंगस्टर्स. तो इफ यू सी these photographs which has not come out in Uday Bhatia's book, but and nobody was photographing, right? Those were not the real making
Correct,
days,
correct,
and I
correct,
wasn't taking
correct.
my photo ki me with 80 gangsters, so it wasn't really. But like now the topic in probably sociology departments would be, what about women lose? कि आप लोग वॉशरूम कैसे जाते थे, काम कैसे करते थे, व्हाट अबाउट probably the
you.
language, what about the MCBCs going on, what is the work atmosphere? So okay, so 40% of the team probably was speaking Telugu, so I didn't
correct.
get it.
हाँ.
But I think Galis are unified in languages, no?
Of course, you
What do
know
you
that
think?
it's abuse.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
says that, but they were not like that. So I think the guys upped their game of really being nice off screen, because when they saw it, like I just quoted Bosky, like Meghna Gulzar. She said when she saw the Kallu Mama song, it was like she could smell the beer and the sweat in the room. So these guys, these are, none of these actors were like कि monitor दिखाओ कैसा लग रहा हूँ मैं, कोई भी ऐसा, they were like there. We were just there, I think. Ramuji had just made Dord before this, which I think was ahead of its time. So वक्त लोगों को पसंद नहीं आई थी. It was, if there was anything called a sleeper flop, it was one of those. It had its cool moments though. But when Ramuji approached Satya, as far as from we, the Enthu Cutlets level, we all were new. It was all our first work, except probably for few actors who had done a film or two which wasn't really released by then. And Urmila ji और गुलजार साहब सबसे established थे उस time उस film में. But we were all making a film in the freest possible way. I think in our reunion just now also, अनुराग कश्यप he quoted कि सर आपने हमें ना बिगाड़ दिया है कि इतना फ्रीडम के साथ काम हो सकता है. आज की तारीख में सत्या नहीं बन सकती है.
थोड़ा बताएं क्यों. I just find this so intriguing.
आज की तारीख में अमिताभ बच्चन लॉन्च नहीं हो सकते हैं. Tall, lanky guy who's done voiceovers, okay, from a very important family. Amit ji, imagine this place without you. What are you all doing about it? I really think that कि कौन से followers Instagram में? And I'm naming one thespian.
Hmm.
I'm sure there are so many like
Hmm.
this.
Hmm.
What have we become? I don't know. I mean, I think reel makers are getting president's awards and influencers. I think Vivek Agnihotri and Nilesh Mishra on Twitter have spoken of this lady who's singing
Hmm.
on stage
Hmm.
and saying कि आपके cousin भी शायद इससे बेहतर गाते होंगे.
Hmm.
So I mean, I think we need to look at ourselves. Yeah, we can't keep blaming people.
जी जी जी.
तो और OTT जब आया, हम जैसों के लिए इन द फ्रिंजेस, आई हैव मेड 2 फीचर फिल्म्स इन फिक्शन, सो I don't think I am really qualified to speak for the industry, but हालात ऐसे हैं कि everybody is known to each other.
Hmm.
So I know what all challenges we all are facing. But हमें लगा था कितना सुंदर कहानियों की leverage रहेगी,
हाँ.
जो अभी घूम फिर के स्टार्स पे आ रही है.
Hmm.
And for before the OTTs blacklist me, the thing is what they also have, it's a subscription based model.
जी जी.
तो आप और मैं भी कास्ट हो सकते हैं किसी भी फिल्म में, लेकिन हमारे होने से फिल्म कोई अच्छा या बुरा नहीं हो जाता है, लेकिन नए सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं आते हैं.
Hmm.
So it's not
It's a
like anybody
game.
wants bad for us, or they have this scheme of not letting us break through, but it's nice to know all the facets. I think a podcast like this should do that, it makes the space less toxic, more healthy, and the conversations are कि अच्छा अभी इतना तो पता है ना, अभी इसके आगे हम कैसे बढ़ेंगे, वो point है. So it's very important to not just sensationalize what we are saying, but understand why they are behaving the way they are. And even like independent producers are just getting fewer in numbers, and consolidation is happening. I overheard this, Ekta, I don't know if it was you, but somebody said that Ekta said ये एक दूसरे को acquire करने में ही जो सारे पैसे लगा रहे हैं, तो हमारे लिए क्या रहेगा producers के लिए. तो ये सोचने वाली बात है. आप लोग why don't you all make models of this and pitch to companies, pitch to people that how can you break this stagnant kind of model which has become. I mean, you have to introduce new people. Like how wonderful is Jahan in Vikramaditya Motwane's new show. I didn't know he is a blue-blooded Kapoor while I watched it. And the next day when people spoke on social media, then I knew.
हाँ.
तो शायद ये थोड़ा पाक साफ है.
हाँ, ना ही there was a fanfare के releasing इनके
So,
grandson, you know.
हाँ.
And
he is so brilliant
and I
as
think
Gupta ji that he
everything,
has played.
You know, there was not a single slip with the accent. अच्छा मैं बहुत हरामी हूँ, मैं पकड़ती हूँ. अरे देख देख इधर भूल गया. I think all the characters.
All of them. How good is Rahul Bhatt?
I mean, I was blown, and I loved, I binge watch, and I'd say the only reason why I have all this is because I love watching content which is good. Black Warrant, I think, has been excellent at every level, including the music.
Yeah.
बेहतरीन
मुझे तो
storytelling
लगा
था.
जनवरी इतना सही शुरू हुआ है ब्लैक वॉरेंट से, और अभी पाताल लोक देखा जाएगा. I came here, so maybe I'll go back and
I did
watch.
like it also. मतलब, but Black Warrant.
Yeah, Black. Okay.
If but not bad for a sequel.
Okay.
Yeah, fantastic acting.
So yeah, see, good work is happening. I think OTTs are doing a brilliant job. It's just that we are too many of us also, so there will be selection by elimination. That is what we are facing. So I think we need more distribution patterns in place, because that's where the buck stops. You know, to name a very recent high content film, it wasn't finding. I mean, June found it earlier than that film, which is not as decorated as her film, but Panorama Studios saw merit in it, and we are on 3 very A+ streaming platforms. So there are ways, but yes, you know, and to recover money, it will take time. So there has to be other fields of work in which you figure your revenue stream out and keep working. There's no other way.
Tell us a little about June. हालांकि आज screening है, and I am going to have plenty of questions after that, but a little.
June, the logline goes, how do you know who's the one for you? So while I'm told that kids are not watching love stories, they are not falling in love, I see them all the time after hours, and the playlist that they hide is all Rona Dhona, is sometimes Mohammad Rafi, and it is insane. I mean, Arijit
Yeah.
or the likes of his brilliance. See the songs. I mean, they are all ghazal and ghazal evenings, which few of my friends in Navy they tell me it's a ghazal and
हाँ
ghazal.
मैं समझ गई.
तो वही बात है,
हम ड्राई स्टेट वाले सबसे पहले वही
वही
पकड़ते हैं.
पकड़ते हैं.
बाकी कुछ सुने ना सुने, अरे गजल बोली, ये तो लेना ही
ये
ऑन है.
English वाला ghazal है. So June, as you all will be seeing it today, it's completely about young India. It's shot across 5 states. It is shot during the in between lockdowns.
Oh,
So
टफ रहा होगा ना, मतलब
crazy
अनसर्टेनिटी
tough.
रही होगी ना.
Yeah, and a limited crew
Hmm.
with people who are some from film school, nobody because they got anything other than their talent and their energies. And tell me, once you see it, who else would you have seen in it?
Hmm.
That
Hmm.
is definitely what I still stick to it. That my actors, the wonderful creative team, the technical team who have made it possible, who trusted the script long before anyone did. Because बनने के बाद फिर we have about 16, today 17 awards internationally over 1.5 years.
That's so nice.
So yeah.
आपने कहा ना कि यंगस्टर्स कहा जाता है they don't fall in love, while they do, and this is थोड़ा सा हटके because as I think storytellers, writers are also sociologists. I think
Yeah.
they because
Yeah.
यहीं से आता है. Yeah, Barnali, the thing that as an academician, I think a lot of us are constantly seeing is the inability of this young generation to take rejection, especially when they're in love.
Very true.
And I, year after year, सालाना हम सुइसाइड अटेम्प्ट्स और सुइसाइड के आंकड़े बता सकते हैं आपको छोटे छोटे सैंपल्स में. एंड अक्सर दिस इज बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू सॉर्ट ऑफ टेक अ रिजेक्शन, अ हार्ट ब्रेक, you know. You're telling us love stories. Is there something else? Because personally I feel प्रेम इतनी खूबसूरत चीज है कि बार बार गिरो, बार बार किसी और के साथ करो. एंड but why do you feel there is this where does this stem from according to you, and what is there any other comment? Because you again, I would also ask this again after seeing June, the characters, the kind of whatever you're showing in the love story. But yaar ye how would you speak to the youngsters about this? It's a pandemic, if I may exaggerate
yeah,
a bit.
No, it is. Just if I may say, June is a coming of age film.
Right. Okay.
In the form of a love story.
Acha, I see.
Because I think love goes way beyond the boy-girl love. And now, of course, girl and boy and the various us and others. There's no othering today. But मुझे लगता है कि अभी पीछे एक इंटरव्यू में मैंने कहा था कि आप इस पे काम करती हैं. तो टू आंसर पार्ट ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन, द थिंग इज आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज अ लव स्टोरी. Whether you're making a patriotic film, it's the love for your land.
Sports.
If
again.
it's sports, it's the love for your field and your sport. Even if you're making a story of an assassination, it's probably his love for his money or a love for a dying mother back home. So ये जो स्टोरी टेलिंग आप कैसे करेंगी, वो उस पर डिपेंड होता है कि हाउ in your given understanding and expertise that you think this is the best way to tell the story. So उसमें मुझे ये लगा. और जो आप पॉइंट जैसे निकाल रहे हो, जो जैसे आई कीप रीडिंग अबाउट द स्टोरीज इन कोटा.
Oh, that's another crazy.
You know, the aspirants, like, and the number of suicides increasing every day. So I have a short film called Miss Shubhra Negi. It is made by hamaramovie.com. And it's online, and it is the story of a quarter life crisis of this girl who apparently you think that it is failure in love which is dealing with it. But even then I made it, I think 12 10 years back, I was extremely disturbed by the situation of people who are increasingly, long before the pandemic, I think we were living like islands and floating away, and I think social media did that. Growing up in nuclear families would do that. It's not like I'm saying joint family has the answers, but the fact is, when we met our cousins back in summer and Durga Pujo and stuff like that, things were very different.
Of course.
So every other person is now going to a mental health consultant who probably is not a trained person. And some of the Dadiji nuskas were so much better. And we were not killing ourselves because we were not just driven by self-love, I think.
Very interesting.
I think we were giving
Very interesting.
window seats. We were giving up the chicken leg
Correct.
piece.
हाँ,
When
कि
your,
आज इसको
when
दे
your
देगा तो
Khadu's
2 दिन बाद
cousin
मिलेगा,
came,
हाँ.
who kind of almost broke your doll or broke
हाँ,
your toy, you
हाँ,
didn't
हाँ,
care, but
हाँ.
you did that.
हाँ.
You did that. बिल्कुल आपने दिल से नहीं किया, आपने कोस के किया. लेकिन वो जो एक था कि आप शेयर करोगे, तो उसमें ये कहीं नहीं लिखा है this, like कि everything will be in your favor. I think the brilliance is to be able to see the favorable aspect of any bad thing. Not that, like, I don't want to be trolled as Mrs. Sitaraman here. कि अनियंस के प्राइस बढ़ गए तो अनियन के बिना खाना खा लो. वो पॉइंट नहीं है. पॉइंट ये है कि देखो, दिल तो टूटने वाला है, और इससे एक्चुअली नाउ एट this age I look back and I laugh at it. So guys, the real flex is, when you are like probably in your late 30s and 40s. I am 51 right now. To be able to look back and say, अरे यार कितना बीप थे यार, कितना अच्छा वक्त था. I think take your work seriously, not take yourself too seriously. I think this extreme self-love, what it is doing is कि it is actually distancing yourself from the rest of the world. That is harmful. If it's not helping you, it's harmful. Because हालांकि मीडिया में भी बहुत ज्यादा कि माँ ने जीन्स पहनने से मना किया, लड़की दूसरे रूम में जाके लटक गई पंखे से, इसने आईफोन के लिए किसी को स्टैब कर दिया. सो आई डोंट थिंक यंगस्टर्स आर दिस मोरॉनिक. दीज आर ऑल, ये क्या होता है ना, प्रेशर कुकर जब सीटी बजती है वहां का आप शॉट लीजिए और 20 मिनट से जो पकता आया है. So let's do a time travel. And that listen, it doesn't happen at the moment. There is one moment where you snap. Correct. But to call that, the kids are becoming this way, I really think that environment plays a big role. I think my generation, if I had kids, they would be mostly like in teens. And I think we are to blame. We haven't been able to give good role models as marriage. We haven't been able to give good role models as कि नहीं ऐसा होता आया है, ऐसा करें. है ना? तो it's like, one filmmaker talking here. I mean, I was this दो चोटी वाली middle class Bengali girl growing up, and I had my, like before you turn 20, you're like कि अरे शादी की बात, किससे शादी होगी, सास, तुम बैंगन नहीं खाती हो तो सास जब बनाएगी तुम क्या करोगी. So it, like Preeti, not that things have really changed. I travel a lot because my non-fiction makes me travel to interior India. And I kid you not, I have friends in surrounding countries, many in Asia, across the world. मतलब इस रीजन में ना शादी को जो बहुत बड़ा आपका क्रक्स बनाया गया है, वो शायद थोड़ा चैलेंज होना चाहिए, जो हो भी रहा है. एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली द फादर्स, I mean guys have a role to play here. That whether it is, let's say, दंगल में आपने फोगाट को देखा, या जहाँ भी देखा, जो घर के जो मेल मेंबर्स हैं उनका सपोर्ट बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी हो रहा है. और women we are continuing with patriarchy, which is a very strange thing.
Yeah, you're right. I think it hurts.
We can
more
have a
when
full
women
podcast
are
on this.
Absolutely. So
I think very important to stay active. There should be actual sports and not sports on Candy Crush, which goes on. Important to get sunlight, important to get heartbroken, important to go for things beyond your syllabus. I know कि वही piano class और horse riding class में एक part of India जा रहा है. But I think there's so much more to life than wearing jeans and people allowing you to do things. I think you have to go beyond the prescribed life and take some real risks. Real risk does not mean bungee jumping and reel making that, where people have died in New Bombay
recently
this year, this monsoon. Reel बनाते हुए ये influencer चली गई हैं.
अभी भी जनवरी में भी एक किस्सा आया है बरनाले.
Oh God.
No, you know what? I am very grateful that I was born when I was born. Because जो आपने कहा है वो चिकन की टांग कि दीदा ने बोला इसीलिए दे दिया साला. But from those summers to everything, and I realized one thing, and I would also blame it on the parents, जैसे आपने कहा environment. The idea of nothingness is not embraced anymore. I remember my summers, मैंने वो उल्टा पेट पे leg swinging, eating chips and reading Sidney Sheldon. And no one saying, अरे तुम कुछ नहीं कर रहे. Here what happens, I've seen young parents, so I also work with little kids, in which the parents are like, इनको busy रखो.
Extremely ambitious.
मतलब busy रखो माने क्या? Because when you do nothing, I feel is when you do everything.
True.
That's when you're looking and saying, यार ये पत्ता, ये, अरे वो भैया, वो दीदी. You know, 50,000 things are actually happening to you. And ये जो पूरा है ना आप जो कह रहे हो कि this entire thing of self-love is also scary because I'm again blaming a lot of it on social media. Everyone is showing happiness.
Yeah.
So you're also forced कि भाई मैं
Yeah,
खाने से पहले एक फोटो लूंगा मैं happy. This is such a wrong sense and I feel these are two avatars. आप असली में बरनाली कुछ और हो लेकिन आप वहाँ कुछ और दिखा रहे हो.
बिल्कुल projection.
और उसमें आप पिस गए हो. Which is like very scary. I wanted to ask.
Which is 9 out of 10 cases, I
है ना?
guess. हाँ, बिल्कुल.
बहुत rare है. But I wanted to just because I don't want this to be too long. Banali, I want to ask you that as women, how is it like? बहुत direct सवाल है आपके लिए कि to be a part of the, I'm using the word loosely, film industry. मैंने it's
Yeah, of course.
From Satya to now, and जैसे आपने कहा washrooms, I left my job as a crime reporter.
Oh, wow.
Because I didn't have a washroom and I had a serious issue called fibroids. I would bleed like hell. At the peak of my career. I want to cover elections. I want to get into the heartland of wherever I am to get those stories. Aadhe time, because I didn't have washrooms, I had to miss. So, ये तो खाली एक छोटा सा example है. But I want to understand, it's not just about washrooms, Banali. तब से अब तक. How is it like? And by that I mean as a woman, as women characters that you're creating, as also a larger celebration while you have movies celebrating absolute masculinity and women only playing second fiddle. I mean, it's a very mixed, layered
question.
But मुझे वो जानना है बहुत honestly आपसे.
Of course, this question is much more than loo breaks.
Yeah. It is.
So I am so proud to know that you have reported on the crime beat. We must carry this conversation.
We must. Can I just tell you one thing? It was so interesting. जब मैं करती थी ना बरनाली, तब जब भी मैं छोटे गांव के पुलिस स्टेशन पे जाती थी, उनको लगता था कि I am a victim. They never had women reporters.
Oh my goodness.
So
there you go.
It was crazy because every time they'll be like, क्या? And बरनाली, मैं मजाक नहीं करी ना ही exaggerate कर रही हूँ. जब जाते भी थे, while you would look a little different, but you wouldn't. तुरंत सर ऊपर भी नहीं करेंगे. अबेन रेप થયું છે તમારું. And it was like, आप समझ रहे हो?
A given.
It was a given कि अगर महिला आएंगी तो इसके अलावा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. But anyway, that we'll talk about this outside. But आप.
So I mean, luckily, what happens when you're a director in Bombay and you're hoping to make feature films, fiction feature films, you do meet a very unique and very specific kind of people that you do. तो पहले के ज़माने में शायद ज़्यादा वो विभाजन दिखता था कि इस प्रकार की फिल्में बन रही हैं. आप किस तरीके की कहानी लेके जाओगे. But I have been extremely fortunate with having wonderful producers I've worked with. Whatever anybody says about Ekta Kapoor, I think she's a fantastic boss. So I could pay my bills because I did a lot of television writing. I was in her writer's room, worked on a show called Kasturi. As part of that team, I did the Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki Jump. And I alongside wrote my film scripts because there was no development money. And if you were a woman and if you were married, it was like, हाँ मतलब तुम्हें क्या bill देना है. So this is very specific कि काम भी दो पैसे भी. Worse for women. So I don't keep tom-tomming about this fact, but I think as women who work, I mean, should be actually financially dependent, which is very difficult for freelancers. क्योंकि अगला चेक कहाँ से आएगा या आएगा भी
नहीं,
या
कितने
नहीं,
समय बाद,
कितने समय बाद आएगा, वो बहुत बड़ा पॉइंट है.
हाँ.
तो ये एक रोना है, ज़रूर रोना है हमारे लिए. Because I think it's time, women have to be taken seriously, not because you're this very 70s film की बड़ी बहन जो सब कुछ छोड़ के यानी शादी नहीं करी होती है और बच्चे ऑफ कोर्स पैदा नहीं किए होते हैं लेजिटिमेटली. तो इस तरीके से आपको अगर जीना है तो ही आप वर्किंग वुमन सीरियसली लिए जाओगे. आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग इज इंस्टिलिंग फेथ इन योरसेल्फ एंड बिलीविंग दैट यू आर नॉट नहीं यार मेरा बच्चा क्या खाएगा, वो नहीं हो सकता है. women have to really believe that they are going out there and working for the reason which is important to them, whether they are a pilot, whether they are journalist, whether it's our domestic help, whichever segment we are talking about. I think women need to pride themselves in a bit more and not just celebrate it on 8th March. Do it ourselves daily without antagonizing or without thinking that men are on the opposite side. Because I think he for she is a great movement where ठीक है ना, मतलब can I tell you this, Preeti? I don't identify normally as a woman filmmaker. I said I'm a filmmaker who's a woman. तो मेरी कहानियों में जाहिर सी बात है वो चीज़ें आने ही वाली हैं because of who I am. Rather than claiming that. So I have had to let go, though there are festivals which says for women's cinema and I do send my films there. But ये जैसे मैंने छोड़ दिया है. I don't cry because I'm a woman. I am a woman. I will have my PMSs and my things and it'll be hormonal, it'll be messy, but that's me. And as far as the ratio of women behind the screen तो बहुत अच्छा हो गया है पहले से, but फिर भी women DOPs नहीं देखी जाती हैं. But there are very few, like 1 in 1,000, which have some incentives if you hire वुमन सिनेमाटोग्राफर. आप लोगों को बिल्कुल ये मिलने वाला नहीं है, पर देखिए चिकन एंड एग फिल्म्स हैं, वहाँ पे ऐसी चीज़ होती है. एडिटर्स कई फिल्में मतलब एडिटर्स, द लॉट ऑफ विमेन हु आर डूइंग वेरी वेल एज एडिटर्स. बट अगेन जैसे मेरे पिताजी बोलते थे, नहीं डेस्क जॉब. सो कैन आई लाइक मेक अ वेरी बैड एनालॉजी that families are not not adverse to the idea of you being in a job which is not necessarily running in the chambal with a camera and your focus puller running after you and working in a very toxic environment. तो वो ज़रूर होगा, क्योंकि सिनेमाटोग्राफर्स क्यों नहीं दिख रही हैं जितने एडिटर्स दिख रहे हैं. तो वो है. असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर्स लड़कियां हो जाने से हमें नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि हाँ अभी तो काफ़ी महिलाओं का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. बट येस, ऑफ कोर्स much better today. It's a very niche field in any case, but things have changed. And have I answered 2/3 of your question?
हाँ, बिल्कुल यार, बिल्कुल. No, also I will definitely ask because आपने कहा कि यार हमारे ups and downs है, hormones है, भगवान जाने कौन क्या गवर्न करता है हमारे शरीर में. यार इतना करने के बाद भी शरीर को लेके महिलाओं को क्यों एक थोड़ा एप्रीहेंशन, थोड़ा एक if you are okay. I mean,
yeah, I'm absolutely okay. So I mean, it was a very strange thing. Nobody when I was growing up told me that I was kind of okay to look at. So I grew
Listen,
up.
you're quite hot. You know that,
Yeah,
right? All
no,
that.
I didn't know that. If I
I
did,
love you. Like, now I know
now
that.
I know that. Now that you're saying, and I think reiteration and validation from women is very important.
Always, right?
Correct.
Even if a
So,
guy lusts at you, it doesn't do what a woman does
Ye-
when they tell you, right?
yeah, so जब जस्सी जैसी कोई नहीं
हाँ.
सोनी पे that show when it came मुझे
हाँ.
लगा ये तो मेरा ही कुछ बायोपिक टाइप
कहानी
का
है.
बना है. So I was that low self esteem.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Yeah. I was that low self esteem. माथा बड़ा था और बाल भी कैसे अजीब से थे और नाक भी चपटी थी. I was kind of tall and why did I feel that way? Was I trying to fit in the fact that guys like girls like this? I won't be surprised if I was. Because are you trying to say कि okay guys won't be interested in girls like me. अब बहुत छोटा लगता है वो दायरा. तो मुझे खुशी तब मिलने लगी जब मैं बिल्कुल I was a bookworm पढ़ाकू and I got such a great kick of topping my class that kind of overtook everything. I'm not saying that my zits went away or my confidence in how I looked came back.
या कमर पतली हो गई.
कुछ नहीं आया. हाँ, so I was always mentally fat. But if you see
Mentally fat.
if you see my 20-year-old photos, I was like, yeah, I mean, Rohit Bal did call me to do the runway. So this is some new khabar I'm giving today. So Rohit is not here. Somewhere there. But yeah, I was in Miranda House growing up in Delhi when the fashion scene was in Delhi. And जो क्लास 10 से पहले की बर्नाली है उसकी फोटो अगर आप लोग लगाएं और अब
हाँ हम लगाएंगे जब
बिल्कुल ही आप देखें कि the changeover came into me when I came to college. I found my calling. I topped the university in bachelor's and master's, and I would have gone to the US to do a PhD. That did not happen for various reasons. That's not important. I'm sitting at an university. I think you guys are doing very well. And usme I was like in debating society and doing wonderfully in class, not because I used to slog, but because I think I was blessed with wonderful teachers. So the faculty here is very important. So I think finding your calling makes you who you are. I think then you're okay with a wide forehead, you're okay with a nose, you're okay absolutely with not being the center of the party because how you look, but what you say or how you think. I think even saying is not important because people behind the camera आजकल बड़ा जाके पिच करना पड़ता है 360 degree presentation. आप लोगों को इन लोगों को सबको करना पड़ेगा. But who says that you have to be glib in your talk? No, I mean that's something should be kept away from creative people. But तब public speaking भी तभी आया शायद. So I didn't pursue biotechnology, but yeah, I have a microbiology major.
My God, we would have lost a strong woman voice अगर आप उसमें चले जाते. तो ये finally decide कब किया? What was that moment when you said?
So okay, that's very dramatic actually. So
yeah,
so biotech was the sunshine industries and entertainment when I was mid 90s. When I was in college and later. तो तैयारी चल रही थी and the debate society came up with the ills and like the boon and bane of biotech.
ये हाँ हमेशा.
तो खूब सारी पढ़ाई की and I was always pro science, I'm always pro progress and I'm like कि जैसे आपने AI का सवाल किया तो मैंने बोला कि देखो डिनाई मत करो, दोस्ती करो. तो बायोटेक का भी मैं वही बोलती थी. तो तैयारी हुई. Best of the teams were coming and Delhi is academically very oriented. It was a wonderful city to study in. And debate के 2-3 दिन पहले HOD ने बोला अच्छा सुनो तुमने तैयारी तो कर ली है but you will go against the motion.
And you were pro.
I was preparing pro. And जब आप pro हैं and you're not a pro actor, what you were preparing is what you believe in.
Correct.
That's why you were doing it. तो मुझ पे कोई ऐसा किसी ने थोपा नहीं था. बोले कि नहीं देखो हम दीदी सारे स्पीकर्स इधर है, तुम संभाल लोगी. Preeti, I got like probably 48 hours to research the counterpoint of view. And then I understood the ills of the field. I understood that whoever in the US would be paying me those bucks would expect me to say a certain thing. So that, I mean, at 22, 23, if you're not an idealist, what are you doing?
है ना
तो मैं से यूएस तो जाना है, घूमने जाना है, अभी भी जाती हूँ, 2-3 दफे गई हूँ. But no, if this lab is going to say that this medicine is going to be tried on Colombians, Indians,
Indians,
Argentinians, Sri Lankans, बाकी वो वर्ल्ड गया तेल लेने, वो नहीं हो सकता है. तो मुझे ना नींद आती, ना कभी अपना कुछ कह पाती. I'm not saying that my classmates who are doing so are evil, but the fact that anything which is going to be simply industry driven is going to make you say things that you don't want. I'm okay with a producer telling me कि नहीं इसको कास्ट कर लीजिए तो ये हो जाएगा. उसमें भी 9 out of 10 points I will try and fight it if I see the larger good in making the film happen.
जी.
But in real life, I'm not going to administer that drug into
Tribal
Mohan
in one,
or Majid here because it is guinea pigs and then human and then at the stores. No, that's not going to happen. So that was a very idealistic call. Otherwise,
पर ये आप बोल दिए 48 hours की तैयारी के बाद आपने वो कौन वाला
I did speak against the motion, and we did very well actually. So yeah, so that was where the thing came, and also my relationship with science post that was questioned a bit because they say ki the world is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, everything else is an opinion. So humanities is different. If Param can do something this way, then he must be allowed to do that because everything is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. करोगे तो फिर क्या ही करने की जरूरत है? फिर आप बंद रहिए, तिहाड़ के जेल में बंद रहिए, और you just follow your life कि ठीक है इतने पैसे हैं कर लिया जाएगा. So what you do with your life given in this beautiful earth, I think is very important. Now of course in Mars, Mr. Musk is taking us there soon.
Of course, soon.
So yeah, I would be pretty open to that.
Yeah, वहाँ जाके फिल्म बनाएंगे.
हाँ, one way ticket नहीं लेकिन.
No, you got to come back.
He has to give us a 2-way ticket, then we'll go.
Yes. You're almost sounding like a
कि
Gujarati
छोटा.
right now.
बिल्कुल. रेकी करने चल पड़ते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो ऐसा है thought.
Yeah, when you're not reading, when you're not working on films, what turns you on?
I travel a lot.
भाई साहब प्लीज इस पे थोड़ा कहिएगा. ये कोई स्टूडेंट ट्रैवल मने
और ट्रैवल मतलब गुजरात स्ट्रेट ट्रैवल. कल मुझे एयरपोर्ट ड्रॉप चाहिए, लेकिन आज शाम को सपोज इसके बिल्कुल बाद स्क्रीनिंग हो जाती है और हम 6 बजे छूट जाते हैं. टू नो अ प्लेस यू हैव टू ट्रैवल विद द पब्लिक.
Very beautiful.
So I'm a public transport. Even in my Insta post, you would have seen about a fuel guzzler. So I have lots of friends who have fancy cars which could probably change the economy of a state, if not the country. हाँ यार, बड़े rich लोग हैं इस देश में. But I still want to do I travel Mumbai local second class because I think the stories are there.
बिल्कुल.
First class Mumbai local, there are women who feel a little frustrated that they're not called their Uber today or the driver hasn't come up. तो वो मुझे genuine organic नहीं लगता. But I love the मच्छी वालीज, I love the भाजी वालीज.
और those amazing aunties जो सब्जी काट रही है
so freaking real. I love the tamasha which goes on in real life. I don't think if I ever feel a little low, you have to just step out in Bombay and hear the local. It's all there, I think. So yeah, I'm a very big supporter of public transport. It's not that I'm 2 films and 4 documentary films old. Not because it's fashionable to say, but I'm a very go green thing. My father was in Indian Oil, so I know what energy saving means. Yeah. So
travel Are you a foodie?
Travel anyhow.
Yeah.
I'm a foodie and how, and I cook. I love cooking too. So I think cooking is a great process to compare with filmmaking. That you have the idea, you have the story, you have the cast, the ensemble,
Ah.
you have the energy,
Mm.
and you have the equipment, and you're putting it together.
Mm.
Instant audience and distribution
हाँ,
का तो
reaction सब हो
हाँ,
गया मैंने, हाँ.
distribution is instant.
हाँ.
तो
हाँ,
वहीं
हाँ.
उससे ज्यादा, so I think all people who are artistically inclined land up cooking, and most of it. I don't think there's an algo for it. Now there would be an algo to calculate even that. I'm
हाँ कि कितना
petrified
हाँ
कि
मने
इतने
तीखा
लोग
तेल
इतने
इतना हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ.
but I think cooking is a great delight.
How Bengali are you?
I am conveniently Bengali,
Ah ha 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 ha.
but I'm genetically Bengali, so certain things won't go. But Bangali, ekdom like from Kolkata, but I've grown up in Indian oil nagars, so I say I'm a Bengali. I learned to walk and speak in Madras. That's what it was called then. Then I did my. I changed 7 schools, and Delhi is where I did my high school, college, all the glorious, very good years in Delhi. Then married and working in Bombay, so it's been wonderful. So I like the travel bone of me, of Bangali, the foodie side to us. And I know it's going to be sounding extremely parochial, but wo jo genetically oriented towards something aesthetic, is that वो शायद बंगाली का इस वक्त जा रहा है, because except for the RG God incident, I don't hear anything about Kolkata right now. It is
So
absolutely
glad I thought
pathetic.
I'm the only one
No, the
thinking like that.
Bhadralok is a
हाँ,
thing of the past.
कोথায়?
Bhadralok is a thing of the past, okay? And my brother who lives in Kolkata, and he's raising a wonderful child. She's, I think, 16 now. He says, तेरा वो non-resident Bengali तो ठीक है, चीज़ें बहुत बदल रही हैं, तो चीज़ें तो बदलेंगी ही, हम कैसे अडेप्ट करते हैं, बट दिस is like so not I saw us going towards. So I would like to be a more human, global citizen, desi as I get. Definitely. I love saris. I love my saris. That's very bong. I gift saris. I'm sorry, I didn't know who I was going to meet here or whatever, else you would have had 3 saris in my bag.
My God.
I think
This
that's
gives me an excuse to come to Mumbai with a nice patola for you then.
Oh.
Do you have a patola? Do you own a patola?
Yeah, I do. My Shashuri had given me one.
Damn.
So, yes. But
I'll look at Ajrak then. You have Ajrak?
Ajrak. Any day.
है?
नहीं
बहुत
नहीं,
सारा
आप
होगा ना?
जरूर लाएं.
So, है तो भी ना बोल दो अभी.
नहीं नहीं, अजरक definitely
हाँ,
yes.
हमारे
please.
कच्छ की तरफ का
Yes,
है.
that's more
Yeah.
yeah. So I think I love saris. I always think that the one thing that I would have had a daughter would wear with my, you know, the
Saris.
legacy of saris go.
Yeah.
और माँ को बोल के हम रखे हैं कि साड़ियाँ मेरे लिए. So it's that, I think saris, that's a love affair.
It is. You know, Barnali, when I lost Ma 4 years ago, I would after that just bury myself in her saris to find that smell. That, you know, like there's something about saris which is like a warmth. In fact, एक माँ की साड़ी को काट के for my son, he was small, we made this little blanket. He's 11, but that blanket is still sort of kept
I know
on
that
his bed, and that's a Bengali sari, you know, so it's
how
gorgeous.
lovely.
Yeah.
I would have worn a sari to you. I'm terribly worried about my midriff right now, so I did not wear
Listen,
a
I'm
sari.
half Tamil. We celebrate midriffs. We have movies in which we show this lovely.
Yeah, like I
handling
have a lot of
and-
I think Dravid women are way more self-confident. Sorry, I have like made a very racist remark, but
though it's perfectly okay because
I
they
mean,
are. As
they
in,
are.
I feel
I think they
are.
enjoy their bodies and they have a say in a move.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm not talking of movies here. I'm talking of real life, and I think they rest their case very strongly, which is amazing, which I'm told because not too many, they have been, no, this will go elsewhere if I answer why. We'll say it off camera. Yeah.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
हाँ.
No, and I think you're right, because even today, even if I look at representation in movies, mota moti, I think when I see a lot of strong Malayalam or Tamil characters, women, they look like Ma. They look like, and with
Yeah,
voluptuous
absolutely.
midriff, the South
Yeah, yeah.
Indian bum, the bust,
Yeah,
and they're fine.
they're
And
fine. Absolutely.
I love that, you know. So, Barnali, यार आप अपनी कोई अगर याद होगी कविता,
नहीं, वो हम पढ़ के सुना सकते हैं.
पढ़ के मैंने क्या फोन
फोन
से?
से?
हाँ, और बंगाली हो तो भी ठीक, हिंदी, whatever you, we would love a poem from you.
Okay. Not just Google Maps. You left home for a reason. I just fell off the branch like a leaf, yellow with thumbprints of time. You left home with an idea. I fell off the grid on my knees, grazed. I wait to learn Braille for stories that don't catch the eye, but touch and move like light. No, like shadows that forgot to walk with you and me, to see if we could still talk. This freeway has U-turns for rethinks. Sine curves like arms of a dervish dancing to music of the waves, crashing by the shoulders around bends of tar, moon sailing on the crests of tide, alone. You left home to be by the ocean. I fell into the sea to fly towards the sunrise. On the windscreen, a glimpse of the bay if you forgot the way, to see if you still fit in my wing mirror. Miles behind us, milestones ahead, and objects closer to us than they appear.
Oh my God. It's almost like कुछ पुराना प्यार याद आ गया मुझे.
पुराना
but-
प्यार, तभी तो ये हम ऐसे बहुत ही.
नहीं, but this is so gorgeous. ये कब लिखा था आपने बनानी? This one?
This was for a special edition of poetry for 20 Indian poets करके. You have done fun things, no? It's for the Punch magazine. Yes. हिंदी में हम नहीं लिखे हैं poem.
Bengali?
बांग्ला আছে. चलो, this is called Brishti.
Oh baba.
For all of you who follow Bengali, Brishti, my only Bengali poem so far. I have not given this to be published, so
It's all right.
এখানে
if we-
তোমরা পাচ্ছ. হ্যাঁ, I won't. বৃষ্টি সেদিনও ছিল, আজও আছে, দু এক ফোঁটা আজ বেশি, তবে পারিনি ধরে রাখতে, হাতের রেখাগুলো এখনো গভীর হয়নি, কিছু পেলে ফেলে দেয় তারা, ধরা যায় না, ধরা দেয় না, ধরা পাইনি, ধরা দিও না। বৃষ্টি সেদিনও ছিল, আজও আছে, মেঘ এখনো রয়েছে, হয়তো বৃষ্টি তোমার কাছে আসছে।
एक रुका हुआ
एक
फैसला
रुका हुआ
यार,
फैसला,
वो
हाँ,
क्योंकि 12 Angry Men shaped when these movies were not accessible when I was studying, and आपने कहा ना एक टीचर आपकी जिंदगी बदल सकते हैं.
नहीं सच्ची,
So I had this one.
I have been like,
Hmm.
thank you my teachers, really.
है ना? In fact, I think somewhere I've also become a thoda sa mishran and extension of them in many ways. Sometimes
Because you
it's-
want to give, no, that's what,
Yeah.
like when I say I wanted to write hashtag resource person, I don't know what you call this, because suddenly I saw also कहाँ दिखा मुझे, मैं कर्णावती का पेज शायद मैं देख रही थी, स्टोरीज में विनीत भाई दिखे.
हाँ.
So I said, oh my god, see, I mean, we are ready to extend ourselves. He's in the film.
So a little about Ek Ruka Hua Faisla, because 12 Angry Men and then Ek Ruka Hua Faisla, both bloody brilliant in their own ways. इन्होंने Indian context भी बहुत ढासू पकड़ा with, I think, great actors. And now, इसमें क्या है? Is it an ode to it? Is it a little different? Other than the fact that you just told me that there are more women characters in this, because
Yeah.
both the movies didn't have women. But why Ek Ruka Hua Faisla? What was...
So it was Holi 2024. I got a call 2023. होली का दिन था, हम लोग ड्राइव पे निकले हुए थे माथेरान की तरफ दोस्तों के साथ, और दर्शन अश्विन त्रिवेदी, डॉक्टर दर्शन अश्विन त्रिवेदी,
जी अहमदाबाद ना छे
जो अहमदाबाद के ही हैं और वो पढ़ाते भी हैं और वो एकेडमिक भी हैं और एकेडमिशियन हैं. And Darshan, you're listening to this, I'm sure. And this would be his, I think, as the release goes, this would be his first
जी,
Hindi feature film.
जी.
And I'm extremely honored and privileged when he said, would you like to work on the screenplay? I'm making the official remake for it. So official remake makes it extremely credible. And yes, 12 Angry Men, the play would never go, I think, out of context.
Ever. Absolutely.
It will just lend itself to adapting again a dipstick to understanding the society, because it wasn't really about the case but about these people here.
Absolutely.
तो दर्शन से आया ये बहुत अच्छा सा opportunity. I leapt at it. It was the happiest Holi I think I've had. And when he shared with me, he had a few actors in mind, of course, on the 12 characters, which I got a note on.
जी, जी.
Which was entirely Darshan's idea to have a representation which did not make it a manal like it was in Basuda's film, or 12 Angry Men, which is, as it says, men.
Men.
So the ratio is 8:4, which is 8 men and 4 women, which is wonderful. There is, of course, representation of the various demographics in this country.
Right. I like it. You're not letting us know much yet. How nice. How nice.
Yes. And it is set in Allahabad court. And what was amazing with Darshan was, because he has this very interesting side to him, which is research oriented, because he teaches, and he wouldn't go unprepared as far as the background of how this case could be adapted today came. So the story जिस पे ये लोग गौर कर रहे हैं, जो इन पे आया है कि कोर्ट अनडिसाइडेड छोड़े हैं और ये एक कमिटी है जो तैनात हुई है. तो इसमें 8 बंदे हैं और 4 बंदियां हैं, which are of course extremely interesting to characterize, which I am sure this year you all will be watching the film. And would you believe it, he has been constantly in touch with people from the bar council, and it's vetted actually by the legal system and the lawyers. So we know that, just to be not creating a remade film into yet another version, because today we are living on an information super highway. And like you said, मैं वो पकड़ती हूँ, लहजा या जो भी है वो कहीं पकड़ा जाएगा. तो हमने कोशिश तो पूरी की है, and without making it preachy, without making it giving it the same ride, then we have tried to reinvent. I say the word try because the rest is for the audience to watch. And do watch it when it releases. And it was extremely exciting to work, yes, with a good representation and not a manual. It's like, देखिए ये तो filmmakers जरूर कर रहे हैं ना आज, यानी कोई तो सोच रहा है. I hope the team gets to make many more films. We have a fab cast: Suvinder, Vicky, Debendu, Atul Kulkarni, Kani Kusruti, Divya Datta, and Vineet Kumar. He was here at the university recently, I think. And yeah,
ये तो dream cast है.
Yeah, it's like Tanishtha Chatterjee. Wonderful, wonderful. It was, of course, because so many bright minds, so it wasn't like a very pretty shoot. Of course, there would be
friction.
There was fire everywhere. But yeah, let's hope the smoke is worth it.
I'm sure. Just ये मेरी जानकारी के लिए आपने उसका context, क्योंकि जो कहानी है of 12 Angry Men and therefore is a case. Are you following that similar case या आप कोई और?
No, it's a new case altogether.
मुझे
yeah, it's a very caste conscious girl. The family of the girl is a caste conscious upper caste family and a Dalit boy.
I see. ऑल्सो ये मॉडर्न कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ही है,
Absolutely
क्योंकि
modern
उसमें
as we
कुछ
speak today.
ऐसे सीन्स हैं
Hmm.
जिसमें मैं सोचती हूँ कि अगर इसमें मोबाइल होता तो शायद कहानी, यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग,
हाँ, तो वो
स्मॉल
सारा
थिंग्स, बट वो सब,
मद्देनजर
ओ
रखते हुए
माय
योर ऑनर
गॉड,
करना पड़ा कि मोबाइल्स निकाल दी जाएंगी और
जो भी, बट इट्स जस्ट सो
कंटेंट इज
इंटरेस्टिंग
या
के इस,
it was tough. It
हाँ
wasn't
हाँ,
easy.
क्योंकि आपके
But I
पास
just
ऑलरेडी ये
hope
है.
it looks easy breezy and organic and not written, because I think what I do not come in for, if anybody makes the good mistake of taking me as the writer, I do not come with dialogue bazi. I come with a very unscripted feel that is organic. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके प्लस पॉइंट्स क्या हैं. तो मुझे लगता है वो जहाँ भी अगर दिखे शायद थोड़ा सा उतना ही मैं कर पाई हूँ. बाकी तो इतने दिग्गज एक्टर्स हैं, इतना इम्पोर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है, एंड दर्शन हैज डन इट वेरी लविंगली. सो fingers crossed.
No, and I think, Barnali, thank you not just for being here. I think thank you for creating what you are. Uh, for many voices, especially, and I will say even for women voices, via not just character, but personally you yourself, making sure that करते रहना है यार. I
करते
mean,
रहना है.
that is so
करते रहना है.
commendable.
But like, yeah, I mean, but it's also like, you know, the Bengali in me of that a certain time, today's Bengali might be very out there and outgoing. So I don't want to limit myself to a state. But the fact is that the India today is so aspirational that मेरी तरह शायद वो क्रैक वाली 2 BHK में उनको नहीं रहना है, तो फिर अपनी कहानियाँ, मुझे लगता है सबसे बड़ा लग्जरी है कि कोई आपको नहीं बताए आपको क्या करना है. आपको अब वो करने की आपके पास छूट है और आपके पास मौका है और रिसोर्स मिल जाता है कि आप अपनी बात कह सकें. So I'd rather not take notes and I'd not be Raja ka darbari, but be my own little domain where I say what I say.
जो आज की परिस्थिति में मुश्किल है, but I'm so glad. In many ways I can't talk too much about it, but no, thank you so much for everything.
you.
And I'm not going to leave you at this. I'm going to catch you abhi. I'll also ask you what you're doing for lunch, and then maybe I'll hijack you here.
Yeah,
somewhere.
I mean, I think filmmakers are waiting to be hijacked.
है ना? Films, a very interesting space, a space where newcomers will have to compete with many things, not just AI, where when you work hard and you understand important things, which is reading, traveling, making sure you're part of the community, and always being at it. It's been a wonderful conversation talking with Barnali Ray Shukla today for KU Podcast. Thank you.